Today we're going to correct Katja number 6, and I just wanted to point out to you how my notebook is set up. Again, I have Katja number 4 to blank whenever I run out of room. I'll stop, I'll put whatever number I get to. I have my name. This one was done on Wednesday, this one was done on Monday, September 28th, and then here I have today is this Monday, capitalized, it's proper noun, comma, October, capitalized, 5, comma, 2015, and I skipped a line and wrote number 6, and hopefully I can fit this whole entire thing on just this one spot. So here we go. So we start off with to hide his admiration of Felicia. And we have a brand new speaker now from the last one. We had some dialogue, now we have the narrator talking. So we need to, of course, indent when we have a new speaker and capitalize because it's the beginning of the sentence. So, to hide his admiration. And I just want to point out here, to plus the verb. Remember we talked about this before. Infinitive phrase, you can start a sentence for sentence variety with an infinitive phrase. To plus the verb, so that's going to be your notes today. You have to plus the verb, and that's your infinitive phrase. So to hide his admiration of Felicia, Felicia is a proper noun, so her name needs to get capitalized. And then we need a comma after that. William, again a proper noun, his name gets capitalized. William Waggish is his last name, so that needs to be capitalized. Okay, proper nouns always get capitalized. It says makes. We need to change that because this is in a past tense. So we need to make it say made a tasteless but funny joke about girls. And then I need a period. It says no one. Well, first of all, no one needs to be capitalized. And no one is actually two words, so we need to separate them. No one listened and comma and everyone turned. It says there. We need to switch this. That there is not going to work here. So who is there? Who are these people? Well, it's boys and girls. So we need to change it to everyone turned his or her head in Alessandra, which needs to be capitalized as the proper noun. We haven't been introduced to her yet, so new person. Alessandra's direction. And whose direction was it? It was Alessandra, so the direction belongs to her, so we need an apostrophe there. Period. And then keep going. To here, again, we've got the wrong here, so we need to switch that to hear, homophone, H-E-A-R, her story. Period. And now we have a new sentence, so we need to capitalize they. And then you need a comma, because you have to meaning also, so anytime to means also, you need to put a comma and surround it by a comma. So they too, they also, and I ran out of room here, so I'm just going to flip right back to, just going to flip to the other side, and I'm going to write a 6 right here. It's not ideal, but it'll work. So again, I'm going to label the top here. Katja, sometimes that happens. And it's going to be number 6 to blank, and then I'm going to put my name. Your paper will have your name, and again, I don't need to rewrite the date because I already had it. So I might write something like continued though, so you know that I continued on. Number 6, so they too were used to William's William is a proper noun, so we need to capitalize that. Lame. So the lame jokes belong to William, so we need an apostrophe there. And lame is an interesting word, so we're going to put a box around that. There is his lame poems. And now we're listing things. Commas, we always put commas in between listing things. Vapid jokes. Again, put a box around vapid, you're going to look that word up, and then comma. And friendly barbs. And then again, you're going to look up that word as well. And we need to end with a period. So, the words that go on bold were lame, vapid, and barbs. You're going to look at those 3 words. On the other page, you can see we took some notes down here. We said we had 2 plus the verb, which is an infinitive phrase. So let's go ahead and count up. We had to dent, because it had a new speaker, so it's 1, capitalization 2, capitalization of proper noun 3, comma 4, capitalization proper noun 5, proper noun 6, changing this word to made is 7, capital 8, splitting the word apart is 9, comma 10, changing it to his or her 11, capital proper noun 12, apostrophe 13, homophone 14, capitalize 15, comma 16, comma 17 around 2. We need also capitalize 18. Again, another apostrophe on a proper noun is 19, comma 20, comma 21, and quotation marks 22. So there are 22 mistakes in this one total. And the ones that you really need to clearly note for your notes is we have a 2 plus a verb, which is the infinitive phrase, which I talked about with sentence variety. So you should have all of these mistakes fixed. In addition to fixing all these mistakes, you need to look up these 3 words, add them to your vocab section. You should have the notes on the other side, and then also you're going to take notes in Google Classroom on Fanboys. So make sure you do all of those things for tonight's homework.